Have you ever wondered about the darkest corners of human history, where the quest for knowledge took a horrifying turn? Today, we're delving into some of the most unsettling human experiments ever conducted. This is a journey into the shadows, not to glorify these acts, but to understand the profound ethical lessons they teach us. First, let's travel back to the 1930s and 40s, to a place known as Unit 731. Under the guise of a water purification unit, this covert Japanese research facility became a site of unspeakable horrors. Researchers conducted live vivisections on prisoners without anesthesia, deliberately infected them with deadly diseases, and subjected them to extreme conditions like frostbite and high-pressure chambers, all to study the limits of human endurance. The goal was to develop biological weapons, but the cost was thousands of innocent lives, a chilling reminder of how science can be twisted for brutal ends. Now let's cross the Pacific to the United States and discuss the Tuskegee syphilis study. Beginning in 1932, the U.S. Public Health Service enrolled 600 impoverished African American men, 399 of whom had syphilis, in a study to observe the disease's natural progression. The most shocking part? The men were never told they had syphilis and were denied access to penicillin, which became the standard cure in the 1940s. For 40 years, these men suffered and died from a treatable illness, all in the name of science. This blatant betrayal of trust led to major reforms in medical ethics and the establishment of informed consent rules we rely on today. Finally, we have Project MKUltra, the CIA's mind control program that began in the 1950s, fearing Soviet brainwashing techniques. The agency secretly conducted experiments on both unwitting American citizens and volunteers. They used methods like hypnosis, sensory deprivation, and, most famously, administering high doses of LSD to study its effects on the human mind. Many participants suffered severe psychological trauma, and the full extent of the program's damage remains shrouded in secrecy. MKUltra serves as a stark warning about the dangers of unchecked government power and the violation of individual autonomy. These stories are deeply disturbing, but they are a crucial part of our history. They forced society to confront the absolute necessity of ethical guidelines, informed consent, and human rights in any form of research. By remembering these dark chapters, we strengthen our resolve to ensure they are never repeated. Thank you for joining me on this difficult but important topic. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into history. Stay curious and stay compassionate.